Hi guys, welcome into the hot kitchen. We're still sailing. We docked in St. Lucia for 2 days, and we literally sailed last night, and it was epic last night, you know. We had another celebration night last night, which was over the moon. I did not get to go because I was a little bit tired, so I rested. And this morning, it's breakfast. What a beautiful morning. Just sailing and gliding on the water. It's fantastic. I'm having a cup of tea too. And this morning, guys, I went for scrambled egg and toast. That's what I went for, and couple of hash browns this morning. Let me tell you, we're having a fantastic time. And guys, let me ask you to continue to support the channel. I am dropping some epic Caribbean vibe videos, and I would like you to like them and comment and share. Like, comment and share, guys, and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. We still have a couple more days right here in the Caribbean, and I'm looking forward to it. But yes, it's nice. I think I've had enough of this. So this one I was going to the side, and I'm bringing in the biggie. Yeah, man. I'm bringing in the fruits. What a fantastic adventure I'm on today. Unfortunately, the boss is not with me. The boss is not here. You remember the boss been on the rock when I was home? Yeah, he should have been here, but he had to go to the rock. He was in Jamaica. So, guys, what a beautiful adventure. Oh my God. I'm enjoying it. Wow. I'm going to show you what. Guys, stick and stay, because the experience is getting better by the minute, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna touch base. Guys, please comment, please watch the videos, and take care of yourself. This is the Hot Kitchen signing out, and I see you soon. Have a fantastic day now. That is it.